Today I'm gonna show you how you can toggle full screen in your web page using JavaScript. So I've created index.html file, a script and a style sheet. I've already put some rule sets. You just use this full screen with the colon at the front, and then you type in your CSS. And you need to, if you want to use this in all the browsers, you need to prefix this, and just be careful about not merging these rules, because even though I'm using the same exact thing, it's not gonna work when I put the rule like this. So that's how we can change the appearance of the full screen, so then when we toggle it we can see the difference. Alright, so inside the document, I'm just gonna create some heading and a button. The button is gonna have an ID, so we can easily get it with JavaScript. And I'm giving the button this data attribute. It says toggle full screen. So now I'm just gonna link the style sheet that I've created and link the script. And I can see that the button doesn't do anything, so to provide that functionality I'm gonna wait for the document to load. Then I'm gonna get the button and give him a click listener and toggle the full screen function. Then I'm gonna write under this. So the toggle full screen is gonna check if the document has been clicked, and then I'm gonna check if the element has an attribute that I've specified in the HTML, data toggle full screen. If it doesn't, this function is just gonna return. If it does, I'm gonna request the full screen, and just to be sure that I can get also out of this full screen, I'm gonna check if the document is already in full screen, and that's gonna make the button exit, so that I can use one button to do both the enter and exit like this. You can also use this pop-up screen in the browser or use escape, and all of these three methods is gonna exit the full screen. So I've changed the background in full screen mode to light blue, and as you can see it's applying the CSS correctly. Okay, so this is how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip was useful.